been a lot of debate about biotechnology in agriculture, and also a lot of developments. For example, a lot of growth in biotechnology and GM crops in Australia. So it seemed a very good time to look at what was happening both worldwide and in Australia in the adoption of GM crops and the issues that are around about how well they're working. Papers looks at the whole legal framework around the ownership of IP and what can be patented and what can't. And that's obviously an area that's still evolving, but there's some quite important issues there about the ownership of species, the ownership of particular technologies and how far that extends. So that was a very interesting piece. The other two pieces that I thought were interesting were a recount of the experiences of the Canadian grain growers in their adoption of GM canola in particular, and also a view from Thailand about the use of GM technology in the rice sector and what developments are happening there. So. Well, I think that was one of the main issues that came through in a lot of the papers, that we're still at the stage of sorting out coexistence. So in other words, how do we operate industries like the organic industry and the GM cropping industry without causing too many problems? So there's current examples at the moment of the problems associated with that, but there's also examples of the ways in which coexistence has been made to work. So there's quite a few lessons in that, I think, for Australia, particularly from those overseas experiences.